Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Samsung TV. This is a 7 Series TV, 65 inch. You might want to do this because maybe you're selling it to someone or giving it to someone, or you might be having problems and you're hoping that maybe factory resetting it will fix it. So I'm using this remote control here, so I'm just going to use the settings button just here. If you're not using that remote control, you can just go to home and then you can navigate over to the settings. I'm going to go down to where it says general. And I'm navigating using these arrows here, and this is enter. So I'm now going to go into enter there, and I'm going to go all the way down to where it says reset. Now you see it says this function isn't available. Don't panic, we're going to exit out of that. And now we're going to make sure we're actually on a channel and not the home menu that we were on a minute ago, and now it will work. So I'm going to go into settings and I'm going to go down to general again, and I'm going to go all the way down to reset. You can see it's not blanked out anymore. All the settings will return to factory default, so I'm going to press enter, and the pin number is going to be 0000 unless you've changed it. If you've changed it, then you have to put in your pin number, but by default it's 0000. There we go. So I've done that now. If you proceed to reset, all settings will return to the factory defaults. So I'm going to go across to reset now. Your TV will restart automatically after the reset is complete, and you can see there you've just got a bar working its way across. Now this will be good if you want to give it away to someone else. So for example, now my Wi-Fi is not going to work after this. On the TV, I mean. And it just said there, reset is complete. It's just going to restart itself. There we go, and you can now see we've gone to the beginning setup. So this is where you can give it away or sell it, or if you're having problems, you're going to have to set it up again. But that's it, that's how to factory reset this TV. Thanks for watching.